2016年11月17日の夜、インディアナ州、ダーリントンに住むブランディ・ウォーリーさんから通報が入りました。落ち着いた様子の女性は、自身の2人の子供と自分をナイフで刺したことを告白しました。
203 South Addison Street.
In what town?
Darlington.
Hey, what's going on there?
I just stabbed myself and I killed my 2 children.
You stabbed yourself and killed your 2 children?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and what's your name?
Brandy Worley.
Brandy what?
Worley.
Okay. How do you spell your last name?
Worley.
And where are the children at?
In my daughter's room on the floor.
In your daughter's room on the floor? Okay. And what caused you to do this today?
My husband wanted to divorce and wanted to take my kid. I won't let him have my kid.
Okay, and how old are your children?
7 and 3.
10 and 3?
7.
7 and 3?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And where did you stab yourself at?
In the neck.
Okay. Are you bleeding?
Yeah, there's blood everywhere.
Okay, and where are you at?
In my living room.
You're in your living room?
Mm-hmm.
Are you armed now with the knife still?
No, it's in my children's room.
Okay, are you still there? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, where's your husband at?
Downstairs somewhere.
Okay, what's his condition?
I don't know. I haven't talked to him.
And when you say downstairs, is he in a basement or?
Yeah.
Okay, what's his name?
Jason.
Nathan?
Jason.
Jason? Jason Worley?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you have any other weapons with you?
Yeah, no.
No? Okay. And what are you feeling right now? I mean, you're tired? Are you where?
Yeah, I took a lot of Benadryl.
You took a lot of Benadryl?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And is there anyone else in the residence besides your children and you and your husband?
I called my mom.
You called your mom? What did she say?
To hang up and call 911. And she'd be here in a second. The last thing?
No, I'm having a hard time. I have a hard time hearing you. What did you say your mom's name was?
Rosemary Bell.
現場に到着した警察は、すでに亡くなった7歳のタイラー君と3歳のチャーリーちゃんを発見しました。2人とも首をナイフで刺されていました。ブランディさんは首から血を流しながらリビングにいました。彼女は病院に緊急搬送され、助かりました。病院に向かう途中、女性は子供たちと一緒に死にたいと言っていたそうです。夫婦は2年間の婚約期間を経て、2009年の8月に結婚しましたが、事件の前日に離婚届を提出していました。事件当時、地下室で寝ていたジェイソンさんは叫び声で目を覚まし、上の階に向かいました。男性曰く、ブランディさんは、これで子供たちを連れて行けないでしょう、と言ったそうです。精神鑑定の結果、ブランディさんはうつ病を抱えており、事件当時は感情をなくしたような状態にあったことが分かりました。裁判の結果、彼女は懲役120年の刑を言い渡されました。